everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you've seen me making, I'm starting some meatballs together. It is the weekend and I wanted to cook something good. Y'all already know how much I love spaghetti, and I was ready for some spaghetti and meatballs. Like back there in the corner, there's always something back there. We bought a brand new TV. It's a big one. It just hasn't been put up yet, so it's kind of hanging out back there in the background. So just ignore that. But I put my meatballs in the oven for, they were in there for about 25 minutes. And I drained them, like I always do, on a paper plate with a paper towel or napkin, whatever you have on hand. I'm not making any homemade sauce to go over them today. I'm feeling lazy. It's still homemade. It's still homemade. But we're going to use, this is one of my favorite sauces to use. They had them on sale today at the grocery store. They were 4 for $5. I like to use the Hunt's pasta sauce if I'm not making my own. I like to use the garlic and herb and mix it with the cheese and garlic. You know, you can never have enough garlic. Never. But I've got those draining. I got some in here. I got some up here still on the paper plate draining. So I'm just going to add the sauce to my meatballs. Alright, so I have a few of them in here already. I'm going to pour half of the sauce to each jars on top, because they're two different ones. One's got cheese in it and, you know, one don't. And then we're going to put the remaining meatballs in there. I like to drain all that grease off of them before I put them in there. And if you're not a fan of, you know, ground beef, you could use turkey meat if you'd like, or ground chicken, whatever. You already know we've made meatballs many times here. That turned out perfect, didn't it? A little shake. Oh, they smell so good. And I'm going to add just a little bit more It's dark in here. A little bit more of the grated Parmesan cheese. Actually, this is not Parmesan. This is Italian blend, so it must have other cheeses in there with it. And then normally I cover it with foil before I put it back in there. I don't know if I have any. I don't. Oh well. So I'm gonna put these back in the oven. I think I had it on about 350, 375. About 375. I'm gonna let them cook for probably additional, I don't know, 35, 40 minutes, if that. And by the time these are done, I'll be ready to pop my garlic bread in the oven and I'll have everything else ready. Look at that. Look at this. Those look amazing. I've had this in the oven for about 45 minutes. I'm getting ready to make some. Brandon brought over some. So that's why I like to cook something good on the weekends because my kids come over. Right here I've got some. He brought some 5 cheese garlic toast. I'm not making my homemade garlic bread today, and this is just regular garlic Texas toast. So we're keeping it simple today. I'm going to pop these in the oven, put my spaghetti in. That's it. No salad, nothing. Simple. And I get to see my kids. Of that. Doesn't that look amazing? Looks so good. I hope you enjoy this short little video. It's the weekend. Making it simple. You know I love you guys so very much. I'm going to show you the TV first on the wall. Actually, it was a Father's Day birthday gift for my husband. He owes me. Let me show you that real quick. Look at that monster TV. How you feel about that TV? Tell all of In the Kitchen with Sandy fans.
It's massive. Got it.
Oh, it's like...
I can't believe it hasn't pulled that wall down.
What? That thing is huge. Alright, well happy birthday and happy Father's Day to him. And Merry Christmas, for that matter. You know I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.